All right, we're looking at a 10K solid gold single cap tooth. Okay, now this is actually custom fitted. Here's the back side. You can see the stamp 10K. This is solid gold, guys. And you choose the tooth that you want it to go on. It's available right there on our website, blingcartel.com. This was done for one of our customers. It's a perfect fit, quality handmade work. Look at that. Snug, perfect fit for our customer. You can get yours done on our website, blingcartel.com. You get a free mold kit, quick service, beautiful work. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.